We don't have one by the looks of it, unless the one in the corner is good. Hey, the ball's through or no? No. Yeah, our boys shoot. Okay, so you guys gotta figure out if that ball's good or not. Am I doing the ball? Yeah. Is he good or? Good? Is the ball good or not? Okay, so the only option is that ball's no good. If that's no good, then you have an issue. That's good? That's good? Okay, you can start off on the whistle. Wait.
That's good, that's good.
Just gotta kick it a little harder.
That's actually the same for you.
Oh! Easy does it, easy does it. Well done, well done, well done. Costa behind you. Behind you. Costa drop, Costa drop. Keep dropping, don't move with that. Have one. Wait! Man at it. Stay one-on-one, guys. Stay one-on-one. Costa, that's you, baby. Got one. That's it.
Great ball, my bad. I gave up too soon. Watch that left flank, eh? Nico, drop that. Yeah, first ball.
Time! Not his hand.
Open it up, open it up. Guys, how you letting that him winning in that time? In the middle.
Costa.
Nico, empuja, Carlos. Phil, 13 is yours. Done that. Thank you.
Corner.
Go work.
Man, coming. I'll be back.
Man. Back. Come on. Nice.
Oh, you buddy.
Kick it in. El de manga rosada es tuyo. Okay, you're good right there. Costa, cover the line. He's coming, okay? That's you. Yeah, that's yours.
Make you run.
Costa, watch your back, Costa.
Oh, nice ball. Okay, second.
Costa,
Go.
¿Estás?
Go, Kev, go. Guys, everyone has a stop, eh? Everyone has one stop.
Omar.
Okay.
Come up. Well done, Ricky. Go! Este es tuyo. El 10. Costa, that's yours.
Win it.
Chris, easy, Chris. You got time, Chris.
Man, Chris.
Dale, Carlos, dale. Good, Josh. Vete. Time, we got time. Vete, Germán, vete. Costa, you stay.
Yes, Tim.
Good run. I'm off.
Chris,
Good ball. Shoot it. Got the whole ball. 1 yard out.
Good stretch.
Goal kick.
Oh, come on, bro.
Only fucking 2 feet wide fence.
That's right.
First ball. Chris, this.
Nice, Chris.
Come on. Men on. They're coming. Step back. That's it. Nice ball. Nice. Good. Come. I'm with you.
Yeah.
Tim.
Andrew.
Still good. Well done. No foul. Well done. Well done. Easy.
You, Andrew.
Woo!
Pressure! Time.
Goal kick.
Let's go, guys. Look around. Mark up. Let's go.
Carlos, look up.
Pressure. Shoot. Good. Open. Man. Look, Tim. Hey, time. I'm with you, Tim. Press. Come back, Jim, come back! Cover, Josh!
Send it.
Yeah, Chris. Follow.
Hey, humble!
Dale, wea.
Keep your heads up, boy. Shut that down early.
Go ahead, play.
Right wing.
Right wing? Oh, yeah. Okay. God. Alex. Sorry. Big sleeve.
Big sleeve.
Oh, nice one.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Look around, mark up. Keep the pressure. Nice press,
White ball.
Go for it. Keep it. Yeah. Easy boys. Get confident. Good read. Hey, mark up.
Adelante.
Sorry, guys.
Go, Nico, go! Sorry.
Yeah? Oh, shit. I'm
Guys, win it. Let's go. Pressure.
Nice, Josh.
Finish it. Unlucky. Settle it down.
Yeah, guys, we're being too frantic.
It's your next possession, okay?
Get ready, Adrian. Get ready.
Next possession.
Guys, win it. Let's go. Look at it. Pressure now. Push up on it. Push up.
Chris. Careful.
Nice, Eddie.
Let's go, guys, come on!
Pressure now, guys. Whoa. Guys, we're not pushing as a unit. We either defend or we don't defend. We either press or we don't press. Mark! Yeah, win it.
Off.
Alex, I got one. Time, Tim. Good pressure. Get back. Good pressure. Guys, turn the face. Adrian, drop the back a bit. Yep, win it.
Get left side, use three. Right ball.
Yes, let's go, let's go. Guys, Drop.
Back it up.
Back it up. Give the Joel.
Addy, stay back. Time, Joel. Put pressure on him. That's okay.
Pressure.
Look.
Pressure.
Go. AJ, come back, mate. We'll switch with that.
Oh, sorry.
I like it. Hey, switch back.
Back here.
Yeah, on the ball. Chris, leave that, Chris. Come back, Chris. Go, Nick, ball. You get in. Call him off. Hey, Tim. Nice, Tim. Go, Tim. Come on. Hey, Tim. Yes, Tim. Finish.
Corner.
Guys, come on now.
Yo, where's the water shoot?
Nick, one. Hey.
Where's the wrong shoot from?
Time, Tim. Nice.
Forward! Well, if you're gonna do good, you're gonna get it.
Let go. Next side. Look at Joel. Guys, unselfish.
That's fine, guys. Let's go. Shot. Shot.
Time.
Come.
Guys, back up. Come on.
Pressure!
Time. Man now.
Come on, AJ, come back.
In the middle. That's okay.
Let's go, people. Let's go.
Honey, come on. Pressure, Tim. I got it. Time. Yeah.
push! Yeah, 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 yeah.
Good, walk, let's go!
Go back, go back, go back!
Hey! Hold it, hold it, hold it! Hey! Hold it, hey!
Let it go, let it go.
Hey!
You got he just put his body in the way. It wasn't a foul. It is a foul.
Yeah, chill, boy, right here. Yeah?
Well, in the box, in the box.
He fell, yeah, he fell.
Cosas. Andrew.
Hey! Oh,
Ball. Keep there. Mark up, guys. Mark up. Look around.
George!
Pass, early.
Yeah, Nico.
Yeah, you can. Good punch.
Right side. Right to the shoulder, right side.
No, not here.
With that, Costa.
Wait.
Well done, well challenged. Light ball. Feel you're good, Dad.
Lucas, go! ¡Vamos!
It's okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Pressure now, pressure! Dale, mátala!
Half time, 2 minutes. You guys keep the cameras here, Sigma?
long weekend, right? Nothing. Gave me 2 days and then Saturday and Sunday I took off. You there? You there on Saturday? Good time to recover, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
¿No le puedes decir nada al goleador del equipo?
Esta temporada. Go on, you have possession. I'll give you the advantage.
Go, Dick.
Look, now!
Go away.
¡Corre, Carlos, corre!
Don't wait.
Jorge, in the middle! Jorge, middle! Jorge! Making an ass of it.
Carlos, recorta. Carlos.
Someone follow her.
Back to him. Yeah, go.
Síguelo, Carlos.
No foul, just hold him up. Well done, you still have possession.
Good work, Joel, good work.
¡No, Nico! Yeah, win it! Mira, go for it! Turn! Go now!
There's nothing wrong. It's a blue shirt. How do you miss that? Easy.
All the way.
Tim Hall?
Vámonos a Daniel. Ya viene, dale. Ya viene.
Corner, no! Corner!
Ref, come on. Come on, ref.
Why are you asking me if I'm confused? I'm not confused, you are.
I mean, yes, I've got two.
Okay,
Time,
well,
time!
maybe I'm blind too, I don't know.
You got it, you got it.
Guys, look at Addy, look at Addy. White ball, ref, white ball. Come on, it was the same way.
Thank you. I got it this way. So it's right here. This way.
Carlos, atrás, lo tenés atrás.
Something like that.
Stand up. Well done, Nick.
Come on, come on. Come, look, Addy. Look, Addy.
Got a white ball too, or blue ball? Which one? No, just wait to explain again. Él es feliz.
Yeah, time. Time. Come, you play now. Yep, big time. Guys, let's go! Pick it up! Got the man. Adrian, come back. Got the man. Got the man. Turn. Win that ball. Win it.
You're playing back to back.
Carlos, busca a Nico. Come on, guys, come back. Carlos, ven. Miro. Man, coming now.
Vamos a presionar arriba.
I got two.
He's walking.
Come on, have him.
Dale.
guys. Come back. Come back. Middle. Turn. Yeah, back here.
Yes, Nico, please.
Guys, it's okay. Go work, guys. Go work. Turn your face. Yes.
Nobody touched him.
Muchachos, vamos a correr, vamos. Presiónale.
And a defender on you. The camera.
Devuélvela.
Dale, Carlos, espérate. Tira a Germán. Donde sea, Iván.
Pressure now. Push it. Guys, get up.
There's nothing there.
He's holding on the ground, nothing there.
There's nothing holding. He's a big man. He fell on you. That's all that is.
That's not a foul.
It's not a foul. Contact.
Holding me from the back.
He fell on you.
It's all right, yo.
You can't see that.
It's okay, yo. Let's go.
You got at least minimum 12 minutes.
Let's go, guys.
Nico. Bueno, está bien.
Dale, ya estoy esperando. ¿Cómo estás?
Let's get some 10-yard passes.
Trabajate, Omar. Omar, ¿ok?
Easy.
Botas.
First, let's go.
Germán.
Well done.
Hermano.
Easy. Careful.
Win it.
Let go. I got this. I got you right now.
Turn. 10 yards.
Hey.
Push.
Easy does it. No foul.
Strong.
Yes!
Go, boys, let's go.
Let's go. Passes. Hey guys, nobody's talking.
What people talk?
Start communicating.
Ya.
Spread. Yeah. Go up middle.
Ahí vas.
Help him. Look at Joel.
Take it off
Out here.
Ball, yeah.
Hey, boy.
Ball.
Ball, bro.
Ball, yeah.
Yeah, let him have it. Mark up. Right through here. It's okay. Guys, turn your face!
Push, 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 push.
Pass the middle. Don't leave the middle.
Number 6 is yours, Costa. Good guy.
Sorry, they're going to grab you.
Ball, ball.
In the middle. In the middle.
Yes,
Easy, easy, no foul, no foul, no foul. Well done, well done, well done.
Good ball, yes. Good ball.
Go away, go away. Get it, Milan, get it.
That's okay.
Go kick.
Better. Yeah, go.
What's up?
Yes.
Get it.
Nice kick.
Hey, go, man.
Back up, back up. All right, Clay. It's okay, Clay. You back it up. And go.
Hold it.
Hey!
Jonathan. Tone it down. Tone it down.
That's it.
Let's go, it's your ball.
Hey! Adi takes it.
All right, let's go.
Yes,
Well done.
shoot it! Sí, pero porque saltas así, papi.
Papi, dale fácil. Leo.
Guys, sometimes just contact so you don't need to press. Ref time, ref.
Next
Bill,
time
right
you
side.
get the ball, okay? Stop complaining.
Great ball, Josh.
2-1.
Good job, Kai.
Yes, keep the pressure. Unlucky. Guys,
At least 5 minutes.
Let's go, guys! Thank you, Josh. Good up. Tight.
yeah, first two.
Ben.
Time. Look wide. Yeah.
When you go, yes.
Go kick.
Good, guys, come back.
Open up, guys. Nice stretch, nice stretch.
Easy, does it? No. Nothing
Bro, you can see the hand.
Nothing there.
50-50 challenge. 50-50 challenge.
Turn the fucking lights on now.
Let's go, guys! Focus!
Go. Press.
Drop. Tired. Let's go.
I got it covered. Nico's got to pick that up. Guys, why are we sleeping?
I got two. Nico, a la izquierda.
Watch.
Go on. Still out possession. Well done, unlucky.
Okay. Put. Yes! Good ball, Adrian. Nice ball, Adrian. Nice finish, man.
Okay, if you're ready, play.
Adrian's ball. Yep. Good. Yes, that's it.
Only one man.
Nico. Time. Lots of time.
Nice, Costa. Keep coming. Stay out. Keep coming. Yeah.
Come back.
Time. All the time in the world.
Nicolás, baja, papi.
Good time.
Nico, no se te vaya. I want to run.
Hey, someone drop. Well done, boys. Well done.
Bravo, Milan! Good finish, bro.
Lucas. Go ahead. Foul, this way.
Good ball.
Mira Phil. Nico, segundo poste. Ese es tuyo, Víctor, tengo uno.
Ball. Keeper.
You call that a foul? Come on.
Indirect.
Might as well give up a license for that.
Yeah, I don't know whether you saw the rise that I took there. Yeah, the one inside the pot. You cook rice today? Did you cook rice today?
I got eyes back of my head, don't worry. I think so.
No, I wanted to cook it, but it was.
Okay, what?
Well, I was kind of late, that's why I put it there.
For what?
I wanted to cook it.
4-2 for the black team, or the blue team. Yeah, because to cook it, if not, it's gonna spoil.
What's your team name? ABC. 4? 4-2. Okay?
No, it's not done.
All right, have a good night.
All right, good night. It's not done. It's not cooked. Yeah, it's not cooked. Like it was put inside the stove. To put it in the, how to call it, the jollof rice. But the pot is full, so it cannot go inside. Before we waste it. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. The rice, if not, it's gonna get spoiled. Yeah, just small water. If you put plenty water, it's gonna be wet. Yeah, white rice. Yeah, maybe if somebody wants to eat another stew, we can.